All right, ACH processing, either with an ACH processor or your bank. Pros and cons of both. Okay, so ACH processing with your bank, it always is going to sound really, really attractive. Okay, banks are going to come to you because you hold your operating funds with that bank. They're going to come to you and they're going to say, you know what, I'm going to give you next day funding, so no float time, and I'm going to make your ACH processing really cheap. That's the great part. Now, here's the downside. If something goes wrong, let's say you have a client that goes rogue and does all sorts of chargebacks, what that bank can do is they can freeze your operating funds. I've seen it happen 1,000 different times, and it really puts you in a tough spot because now your operating funds are totally frozen. Okay. Another thing is banks typically are very conservative institutions. Banks don't really have niches when it comes to ACH or credit card processing. So what will happen eventually is as you grow your business lending ACH portfolio, the chief risk officer is going to wake up one morning and give you a call and say, you know what, I'm no longer interested in taking on your business. Please find a third-party ACH processor or a different bank to work with. Okay, so pros and cons on working with the bank. Working with a third-party ACH processor. The nice part about working with a third-party ACH processor is they're not a bank, right? They typically have niche products that they offer. They understand the risk in your particular industry. Here at Centrex Software, we work with SuperVest Processing, ACH Works, and Actum Processing. These are three fabulous organizations that know the business lending industry and they know the risks that are involved in this industry. So if certain things are to happen, you don't have to worry about them calling you one morning and saying, hey, we're just going to shut you down. Okay, now the cons are because they're not a bank, because they don't have access to your operating funds and they can't freeze your business, typically you're going to see a 3 to 4 day float time on receiving your money. So if you process a transaction on Monday, you typically won't see that money on a Thursday or a Friday. So it really just kind of depends how you feel about it. Typically ACH processors have better technology as well, and they can integrate with different types of software platforms at Centrex Software. So things to think about.